What's up, everybody? Quick video here. Winnie boy, see him right there? I don't know if you can see that little homie. That's my guy. That's Winston the rescue dog, the GOAT, the greatest of all time. Anyhow, make this real quick. Long blog post, 110% worth reading it. Please check it out. CEOs are overreacting. There's a crisis of confidence unlike anything I've ever seen before. 67% of CEOs have said that not only have they lost confidence in their CMOs, they've also lost confidence in the direct reports of the CMOs. If you take that one step further, 75% of those same CMOs admitted that they do not have a plan to develop and execute customer experience improvements and enhancements, aka the future of marketing, to connect CXP directly to business results, aka they don't know what to do. The good news is 17% of CMOs are crushing it. I wrote a blog post, long, it's awesome, but it's all about helping CEOs and absolutely, as well, CMOs and CIOs realize this is not an either or, right? It's not CIO led or CMO led. This is a classic 1 + 1 = 3. CIO plus CMO led growth is the future of all large Fortune 1000 companies or otherwise getting out from underneath all the questions and the craziness of digital transformation and getting on the fast track to growth. So please check out my blog. Let me know what you think. You can tell I'm pretty passionate about this. And again, Winnie boy over there. Hey, Winston. No, he's sleeping. No, he gave me a little bit of a head nod. He's too busy for dad. Anyhow, check out my blog post. Let me know what you think. Take care.